Hi students, now I am going to teach you advertisement. What is advertisement? The word advertisement means a public notice or an announcement asking for or offering services or advertising for buying or selling our property, household goods, vehicles, etc. So advertisements are also used for giving information about missing persons, pet animals, goods, and so many things. The written draft of an advertisement is termed as a copy. Advertisement is very important tool for promotion of sales and services. Types of advertisement. Advertisements are of two types: classified advertisements and commercial advertisements. Commercial advertisements are otherwise called as display advertisements. Now we are going to learn classified advertisements and its objective. The objective of these advertisements is to convey more while paying less. They are brief because they are charged per word or per column according to the space they occupy in a newspaper. They are called classified because they are grouped into classes or categories according to their subject matter. Some classified advertisements have PO box, post box added to them. This facility is provided to the advertisers at some extra cost to preserve their identity. It is generally used for matrimonial alliance advertisements. Features of classified advertisement: categorized according to their subject matter and different classes. More economical as they occupy less space. Language should be simple and concise. It is composed of short phrases or words. So a classified advertisement should be, it contains a subject matter and it talks about different classes, and it is more economical. They occupy a very simple or less space. The language should be simple and understood by everyone. It should be short also. It should consist of very short phrases or sentences or words. Next is types of classified advertisements. First one is situation vacant or otherwise called as wanted. Number 2, sale or purchase. Under purchase or sale, property, vehicle, household goods it will come. Number 3 is to let. Number 4, missing. It may be a person or pet animals or some other things. Lost and found. Then travels and tours, matrimonial alliance, obituary, then appeal. At last one is educational. Now we are going to see situation vacant or wanted. What are the details necessary for or required for this? Start with required or wanted. It should be written inside a rectangular box. The first step, it should be start with required or wanted in caps. The name of the post and the number of vacancies available in that particular place. Then salary, pay scale or perks. Then company name, which company is going to offer you a job, company name. Then qualification and experience required or professional status. Then personal traits, essential requirement, age, experience and your personality. Last one is mode of application, through what we have to, in what way we have to apply, email or hard copy, by post or courier. That it should be very clear. Then next one, sale or purchase vehicle. Details required. Start with sale or purchase or available or wanted. You have to write the model and year of manufacturing of a particular thing. Then color, what is the color, and accessories fitted, what are the things fitted in that AC. It may be in, for example, it is car, AC, so and so, tape recorder, likewise. Then contact address, through which number they have to contact, whether it is a mail or phone number. Then vehicle type, what is the brand, what is the name of the vehicle. Then mileage per kilometer, if you use 1 2 liters of petrol, how long you can travel. Mileage and condition, what is the condition of the vehicle now. And insurance status, whether you have paid the insurance or the one who is going to buy that thing, they have to give the insurance. Everything should be in detail. Then sale or purchase of household things, What are the details required for household goods to sell or think buy? Start with sale or purchase or available or wanted, product brand, model, year of manufacturing, then duration used, how long you use the things, then period of usage, when purchased, how old the things you are going to buy, sell or purchase, then expected expense, how much you need, then types of household item, what is the brand or what is the name of the item you are going to sell or buy, then product features, then condition, then contact address, it may be mail or phone number. To let, start with available or wanted, then brief description of the accommodation, then features and fitness, what are things you have in that house, rent expected and agreement required, then if it is house, how many rooms it has, what are the things you have fitted in your house, it may be drinking water, likewise, then what is the rent you are expecting, then agreement whether you are going to sign or not, then type of accommodation to let or required on rent, size, floor, number of rooms, etc., location and surroundings, then nearby places, market, hospital, school, likewise, then contact address, email or phone, then missing person and pets, details required. Start with the word missing, then identity marks, scar, mole or something, then color, height, the dress they wore on that particular day, reward if any, then if it is a person you have to write the name, age, complexion means color, height and build, structure of body, then clothes and identifying features, if they may wear a chain or bracelet or a ring or something, physical description, how they, what is appearance, then date and place, missing from, where did they go, from where they missed, and the date and the place, contact address and email or phone number. If it is a pet, name of the pet, breed, what variety, then color of fur, the skin tone, identifying features, if it is bulky, short, or it is tall or very fat, answers to what name, if it is optional, it is you have to give the full entire structure of the or appearance of the pet, then only it is easy for the others to identify it. Lost and found, details record for lost and found. Begin with identifying yourself. Who are you? First you have to give an intro about yourself, specifying the item you have lost or found in a particular place, and you have to give a brief detailed description about that. Then where did you found, when did you found, where did you last, or when did you found, where did you found, everything. If you have, for example, if you have taken a chain from a marketplace, who are you, first you have to say, then who, the one who lost, they will say about the full details, the one who took also they can say it is this much length, gold, this dollar, this size, everything you have to add. Then reward, if you are, for example, if you lost, you can say no, those are finding out my things, I am going to give a reward. Those who lost, they only can give a reward. Then contact address, phone or mail. Then travels and tours, details record. Begin with package available, so you have to give how much you are going to travel, how much package you can give. Then state the name of the travel agency, if you are a travel agency, what is the name of your company. Specify destinations, duration, how long you are going to travel and what is the duration. Supply details of package, food, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, etc. So you have to tell package, what is the food, how much you are going to give, going to ask. Then boarding, staying and food, everything. Then sightseeing, the places you are going to visit, for everything you have to pay, so according to that you have to consider. Give estimated cost and special discount, you can give, you can calculate all these things, then you can give a cost, then you can give some special discount for the people also. End with contact address, mail or phone number. Matrimonial alliance, appearance and age is must, then education and qualification, then service, then profession and income, what profession they are doing, then what is their salary, height, age, complexion, that is color, caste, subcaste, religion. Then qualities sought in partner, what are the qualities you are asking, you are seeking in your partner, that you have to mention. Then email address, phone number, etc. Then you have to end with the box, care of the daily, that what you can say, that the newspaper, they will give you PO number, so we have to write that also. Then mention, you have to whether you want bridegroom or bride. obituary. It will be given only for the persons who are dead. Before some years you are giving obituary for them. Details required to write obituary: photograph and name and father's name. Then message from family, a small message as a token of love. After losing one of their family members, they will be giving a message. It may be come from a family or from company or friends. Then background, accomplishments, name of the person who is giving this obituary with the relationship to the deceased. That is, if for example a son may give obituary to his father or mother or his children, so you have to mention that who are you to give that one. Then date of birth and date of death for the particular person. Then details of any special ceremony being held in that house. For example, after 1 year they will be conducting some prayers, so that also you can mention. Then appeal, reason for appeal. Then donations to be sent, where and to whom, and inserted by name and designation. So if you are asking for something, you have to mention why, for what reason you are asking that. The donation, how they have to send, whom they have to give, where they have to send it. Then you have to mention your name and designation, means job. Then details of appeal, what are the reasons you are giving for asking something. Then email address and phone number. Then details required, name of the institute you have to give if it is for educational. Then eligibility and fee structure also you have to mention. Job prospect or placement, if they study in my company or in the school, what are the placement you will be getting after studying. Then address and phone number or email. Then courses offered in that particular school or college. Then duration, time duration, when it will start and when it will end. Then if the students they have got more marks, what are the discounts they are willing to offer to the children. Everything should be in very brief. So I hope you all understood what are the details required to write or give advertisement in a newspaper. I hope you please go through all the pages given in your guide. What are the details you have to add, be thorough with that. This is your weekly test portion, and along with this I'll give you some homework. So please read your guide for more details. You can go through everything. If there is any doubt, you can ask me during the Zoom meeting session. Thank you, children.